Sometimes we find ourselves doing repetitive tasks in Office applications. I repeat, sometimes we find ourselves doing repetitive tasks in Office applications. See what I did there? Okay, although there are many keyboard shortcuts and tools that do help, there is a much quicker way to deal with repetitive tasks. What's it called? Repeat. What's it called? Repeat. Right, enough of that. The repeat feature can be used across all Office applications. It essentially allows you to perform your last overall action, even if the resulting action is made up of a number of individual selections on another area. For example, in Word, let's say you want to apply a border around a paragraph to make it stand out from the rest of the document. There's a lot of options to select from here. You then would like to repeat that same set of actions on another area. Simply go to that new area, press the button for repeat, which is F4. On some keyboards you might have to press the function key at the same time. Either way, boom, the exact same settings have been applied instantly. Some might say that the Format Painter or associated shortcut keys Ctrl, Shift and C to copy formats and Ctrl, Shift and V to paste formats would work just as well here. Perhaps. But remember that the repeat feature can be used in all Office applications and for more than just formatting. But remember that the repeat feature can be used in all Office applications and for more than just formatting.